Hey there, Oyimore, Oyaore. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you so much for trusting in us and for joining as a member. We trust that with your membership, we shall be able to build this channel to the levels that we anticipate. Now, if you have any questions or details that you'd like us to maybe brush on or tell you about, please don't be shy. Let us know. Members access all videos. Members also have the ability to tell us what type of video they want, what content you want, and guess what? We have a special arrangement so that members can have a one-on-one session with us. All you need to do is just tell us that you're a member, write an email to luoenglishdictionary@gmail.com, tell us that you're a member, and with your membership, you're able to access a one-on-one coaching. We can do this once a week. We can always talk together. And now we have a clubhouse room where we talk to other Luo people and we practice how to talk. So if you're joining us, if you're joining as a member today, thank you so very much for trusting in us, and thank you for giving us the opportunity to serve you, and let us do it the best way that you can by giving you the opportunity to tell us what you really want. So we shall look forward to hearing from you, and for now, thank you and God bless you. So to join, what you need to do is just type Luo English Dictionary like this and press enter. Look for our channel. It should be the first one here. If you click on it, and you'll see that button. So this is the join button. So if you join, it will ask you which level do you want to join. There are 3 levels. You can choose the one that is comfortable with you, and that is the easy process.